What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ethan. Hope you're having a great day. Back here with Nicole, as always. We are dressed up as well as we can be. I'm just wearing the same attire from last time, Airbirds, and my shoes, because we're here to get a nice fancy dinner at the Aria. I don't know where we're actually going. What is it supposed to be? Oh, Carbone. Meeting up with our buddy Justin. He's in town. We always do some bougie shit with him, and it's all the way up there. Oh, sweet. We already found it. So yeah. It's gonna be a fun day. We got some fun date activities going on, so this will be a fun little vlog. Some helicopter rides, some Ferris wheel stuff. I think I'm pretty excited for tonight. Gonna meet up with Justin here, catch some B-roll, and yeah, Ari's a sweet spot. So we'll check in. Let's get into it.
Rolling like your eyes, you can't catch me by surprise. You went from ride or die to I guess you ain't alive. Hit my line, but I ain't picking up. I'm too busy mixing up. Wasn't getting anything from that, I had to give it up. Told me that you had my back. You were frontin', no, but now you're coming crawling back. Gotta love it off the Henny, don't know how to act. Lost my cool, but got it back. Why you so concerned where I'm at? Living life on the run, live like Addison. You tryna find a better one. It's easier said than done.
So the only way to make the food last, actually here at Carbone, fun fact, you have to go and eat one at a time. Now we can sit here for hours.
For hours.
One hour.
One bite every 10 minutes.
One bite, everyone knows the rules. How's your food?
Wait. I have to chill now.
Take a break. They'll let the flavor and the food last forever. That's what it is here. Value at Carbone.
Big value.
We're the ones getting taken to Value Town. So, we're on our way to the helicopter ride over to Vegas right now, right? And it seems really cool, but then the inner degen in me, poker. We can make a poker vlog. Why can't we do this right now? Wouldn't you want to play some poker? Look at the headphones, sunglasses,
headphones on.
everything.
Not a word gets said at the table. That's, you know what? Tuesday night? Yeah.
Fuck the helicopter ride. Full send the poker table. Cheers. I'm just kidding. 1340, guys. Got the merch. New Nike collections. Pretty
Please
sick.
do.
Look at this. Rocking on Nike right now.
Please do.
Are those buddies in 1340 chain?
Of course.
Also for sale?
If you want to be, they can be. They're a little expensive, but they can be.
All right. Family and friends discount code, please.
No friends and family.
No, we need the friends and
Everyone's
family.
paying full boat for that.
Tryna find a better one. It's easier said than done. Why you wanna mess with my head like some lawns? You moved out west, but you kept playing those games like LeBron. I know you got some ambitions. Issues lately, you've been tripping, so refer to that line if you wonder why I'm missing. Told me that you had my back. You were frontin', no, but now you're coming crawling back. Gotta love it off the Henny, don't know how to act. Lost my cool, but got it back. Why you so concerned where I'm at? Living life on the run, live like Addison. You tryna find a better one. It's easier said than done. You wanna make it work, I think you need medicine. You tryna find a better one. It's easier said than done. Said than done. Yeah, right, it's easier said than done. Gave my all and ended up with none. Now I'm looking at you like an alien. Living life on the run, live like Addison. You tryna find a better one. It's easier said than done. You wanna make it work, I think you need medicine. You tryna find a better one. It's easier said than done.
fuck were those turns?
That was nuts.
We almost went upside down. I felt like we were gonna go tip over. I was like, whoa. That was
The second turn was like...
He's like hard left turn incoming and just.
I was like, wait, we might fucking die.
That was absurd. The good views. Those sick views. Hopefully you enjoyed that B-roll. Got all the B-roll for the poker vlogs for the whole month plus. That was a good time.
Man,
That was so good. So for people who didn't watch this guy's vlog, we are back at the Gold Coast Bowling. Round 2. I can't wait to swindle all of his
Guy's
money.
such a piece of shit.
That's what it
I got
is.
angled last time.
He said he was good, and you know what? Let's do some bowling. Let's see how this goes. I think we have $200 first game.
Yeah.
Alright.
First game.
Let's fire it up.
She's gonna break her fucking wrist.
I know. I don't know why she spins it all.
Damn. Hooking that bitch
I
down.
really don't get it.
Alright, no, crap. God damn it! I think it's Mary versus Ethan.
He thought he's gonna beat me. See ya. Oh my god. Oh, false start. False start.
That'll do. That'll do. That'll do. Like the knee down. The knee down is tilting, I know.
Alright, you got a time. That's fine.
Hot like, I've never seen you so pumped.
I don't like it out of my hands.
Oh! Just do what you do best. Throw that bitch in the gut.
No! Fuck you! Let's go!
You ready?
That was... Yes! Yes! No!
Needed it. You needed that. So we got 3 strikes in a row. I'm pretty happy about it. So far, so good. 151.
Game 1. 1 to the good guys.
Fucking hate this game, but I love it.
Alright.
Yeah, we
That was
lost by a
fun.
lot, man.
It wasn't that close, but good game.
Good game.
On to round 2. We have a sweat for round 2?
Yep,
Okay, we do. Alright.
we do.
You are here first.
$300 sweat.
Good game. Let's go. Way to carry me.
Yes! We're getting played. The door is open.
It's quite the sweat right now.
That was actually...
Final frame. Let's see how it goes.
It all comes down to this toss. So you reloaded so quickly.
What?
You reloaded the ball so quickly.
Yeah, it was horrible. We gotta reload. Gotta find another bullet.
Whoa, how did something not come down? Hi-ya. All right, this is huge. This is a huge toss. Oh shit. This is a huge toss.
That's so dumb.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That was huge.
Go. Your turn. Time to answer.
It's time to respond.
We can work with that. We can work with that.
Me too. We can work with that. We can totally work with that. Easy.
We can work with that. What? Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Is it possible for us to even win?
181.
81?
We're at 181. No, 179.
179. Oh, come on. There you go.
Hit one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my, it's all on you. She has to hit one pin.
It's
2 pins.
3.
Wait, what is it? What's the score?
You have
Score is currently 181 to 179.
Nicole needs 2
Your
pins.
girlfriend needs to hit 2 points. Just hit 2 and make it a draw.
Let's go! Let's go!
Fuck me.
Winner. Twice in a row. Let's go. I love you. Even through all the shit talking. Yes. All right, finish it out.
Damn it.
Still on.
Last name is 1K. There it is.